Azure Monitor is a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you maximize the availability and performance of your applications and services by delivering a comprehensive solution for monitoring your Azure resources. Azure Monitor collects data from various sources, including applications, operating systems, and Azure resources, and provides insights through dashboards, visualizations, and alerts. Monitoring is crucial for maintaining the health, performance, and security of your Azure resources. It allows you to detect and diagnose issues, optimize resource usage, and ensure compliance with organizational policies. By proactively monitoring your virtual machines, storage accounts, and networks, you can prevent downtime, reduce costs, and improve the overall user experience. Azure Monitor Insights is a set of tools and services within Azure Monitor that provide deep insights into the performance and health of your Azure resources. It includes features like Application Insights, VM Insights, Container Insights, and Network Insights. These tools help you visualize and analyze telemetry data, set up alerts, and automate responses to specific conditions. VM Insights in Azure Monitor provides detailed monitoring of your virtual machines. To configure VM Insights, you need to enable the Azure Monitor agent on your VMs. This agent collects performance data such as CPU usage, memory usage, and disk I/O, and sends it to Azure Monitor. You can then use pre-built dashboards and queries to analyze this data and identify performance bottlenecks or other issues. Once VM Insights is configured, you can interpret the collected data to gain insights into your VM's performance. For example, high CPU usage might indicate that a VM is under heavy load and may need to be scaled up. Similarly, high memory usage could suggest a memory leak or inefficient application code. By analyzing trends and patterns in the data, you can make informed decisions about resource allocation and optimization. Storage Insights in Azure Monitor provides visibility into the performance and health of your Azure storage accounts. To configure Storage Insights, you need to enable diagnostic settings on your storage accounts. This allows Azure Monitor to collect metrics and logs related to storage operations, such as read-write latency, transaction counts, and capacity usage. You can then use this data to monitor storage performance and identify potential issues. Interpreting Storage Insights data involves analyzing metrics and logs to understand the performance and health of your storage accounts. For example, high read-write latency might indicate a performance bottleneck, while a high number of failed transactions could suggest a configuration issue. By regularly reviewing this data, you can ensure that your storage accounts are performing optimally and take corrective actions when necessary. Network Insights in Azure Monitor provides detailed monitoring of your Azure network resources, such as virtual networks, load balancers, and application gateways. To configure Network Insights, you need to enable diagnostic settings on your network resources. This allows Azure Monitor to collect metrics and logs related to network traffic, latency, and availability. You can then use this data to monitor network performance and troubleshoot connectivity issues. Interpreting Network Insights data involves analyzing metrics and logs to understand the performance and health of your network resources. For example, high network latency might indicate a connectivity issue, while a high number of dropped packets could suggest a network configuration problem. By regularly reviewing this data, you can ensure that your network resources are performing optimally and take corrective actions when necessary. Azure Monitor allows you to set up alerts and notifications based on specific conditions. For example, you can create an alert to notify you when CPU usage on a VM exceeds a certain threshold, or when read-write latency on a storage account is too high. These alerts can be sent via email, SMS, or integrated with other tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack. By setting up alerts, you can proactively address issues before they impact your users. Action groups in Azure Monitor allow you to automate responses to specific conditions. For example, you can create an action group that automatically scales up a VM when CPU usage is high, or triggers a runbook to restart a service when it becomes unresponsive. By automating responses, you can reduce the time it takes to resolve issues and ensure that your Azure resources are always performing optimally. Azure Monitor provides pre-built dashboards for visualizing telemetry data. but you can also create custom dashboards to meet your specific needs. Custom dashboards allow you to combine data from multiple sources and create visualizations that provide a comprehensive view of your Azure environment. For example, you can create a dashboard that shows CPU usage, memory usage, and network latency for all your VMs in a single view. By creating custom dashboards, you can gain deeper insights into your Azure resources and make more informed decisions. Log Analytics in Azure Monitor allows you to perform advanced queries on your telemetry data. You can use the Kusto query language, KQL, to filter, sort, and aggregate data from multiple sources. For example, you can create a query to find all VMs with high CPU usage over the past week, or identify storage accounts with high read-write latency. By using Log Analytics, you can gain deeper insights into your Azure resources and identify trends and patterns that might not be visible in standard dashboards. To get the most out of Azure Monitor, it's important to follow best practices for monitoring your Azure resources. This includes regularly reviewing and updating your monitoring configurations, setting up alerts for critical conditions, and automating responses to common issues. Additionally, you should create custom dashboards and use Log Analytics to gain deeper insights into your data. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Azure resources are always performing optimally and that you can quickly address any issues that arise. In conclusion, Azure Monitor Insights provides a comprehensive solution for monitoring your Azure resources. By configuring and interpreting VM insights, storage insights, and network insights, you can gain deep insights into the performance and health of your Azure environment. Additionally, by setting up alerts, automating responses, and creating custom dashboards, you can proactively address issues and ensure that your resources are always performing optimally. As a next step, consider exploring the advanced features of Azure Monitor, such as Log Analytics and Application Insights, to gain even deeper insights into your Azure environment.